Hello everyone! Look, this is Stella, this is Lenny, this is Mira, and this is Alex. Stella can ride a bike. Stella can't play tennis. Stella can't play basketball. Stella can play guitar. Stella can't play football, and Stella can swim. This is Lenny. Lenny can ride a bike. Lenny can play tennis. Lenny can't play basketball, and Lenny can't play guitar. Lenny can play football, and Lenny can swim. This is Mira. Mira can't ride a bike. Mira can't play tennis. Mira can play basketball. Mira can play guitar. Mira can't play football, and Mira can swim. This is Alex. Alex can ride a bike. Alex can play tennis. Alex can play basketball. Alex can't play guitar. Alex can play football, and Alex can't swim. That's all.